Hello yarn lovers! If you're looking to learn a new stitch or make some quick and easy gifts, then keep watching to learn how to make these beautiful fall inspired dishcloths. So you're just going to need some Aran weight cotton yarn, that's worsted weight if you're from the US, and a 5mm hook. So we're going to start with a slip knot on our hook. And we're going to chain 31. Now this will make a dishcloth that is approximately 9 inches square, so you can adjust this chain if you want a different sized cloth. So you just need to chain any odd number. So we're going to start by putting a single crochet in our second chain from the hook. So here's our first chain, here's our second. We're going to put a single crochet in there. This is a very easy pattern, it's perfect for beginners. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a single crochet in each chain all the way across this row. Once you've worked all the way across, you should have a total of 30 single crochet stitches. Now normally you would chain one and turn, but I want to keep nice straight edges for the dishcloth, so I'm not going to be adding a border for this particular pattern. So instead of chaining one, we're just going to slightly elongate the loop on the hook. We're going to turn and then we're going to work straight into that first stitch. So in that first stitch we're going to put a single crochet, then going to put a double crochet into that same stitch. We're then going to skip the next stitch and into the following stitch a single crochet and a double crochet, and again we're going to skip the next stitch and in the following stitch single crochet and a double crochet, and you're just going to repeat this across. Skip one, in the next stitch single crochet and a double crochet. So you keep repeating that until you get to the last few stitches. So I've worked up and I've got my last 3 stitches left, so we're going to skip one and then I'm going to put single crochet into the next stitch, and then I'm going to put a half double crochet into the last stitch. This is going to help us keep our edges nice and straight. So just into that last stitch, half double crochet, and then I'm going to slightly elongate my loop and turn, and then straight into this first stitch, single crochet and a double crochet. And so we're just going to repeat this now for every row. So skip one, in the next stitch single crochet and a double crochet, skip one, in the next stitch single crochet and a double crochet, and you're just going to repeat this all the way across. And again, once we get to those last 3 stitches, we're going to skip one, single crochet into the next stitch, and then half double crochet into that last stitch. So you're just going to repeat this row until your dishcloth is approximately 9 inches, and then I'm going to show you how to just do the very last row. So once your dishcloth measures roughly 9 inches, we're just going to add our last row. So I'm going to put a single crochet into this first stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a single crochet in each stitch all the way across. This is going to give us just a nice straight edge like we have at the bottom. And then you can fasten off and weave in your ends. So your finished dishcloth will look something like this, and I really love to give mine as gifts, so I like to add these little labels. These particular labels are available in my Etsy shop, but I do also have a different set of labels that you can get completely free. And if you would like to get a set of printable at home labels, then just write the word dishcloth in the comments and I will send you the links. And if you love this pattern, I have loads more right here on YouTube. Why not watch those videos next? Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.